Imagine the aroma of warm, freshly baked pizza wafting through your kitchen. Making your own pizza can be a delightful experience that not only satisfies your cravings, but also allows you to unleash your creativity. Let's embark on this culinary adventure with 10 simple steps that will transform your kitchen into a pizza paradise. First, gather your ingredients: flour, yeast, water, salt, a touch of sugar, and olive oil. These building blocks create a perfect dough that will rise beautifully. Mix the flour, yeast, and sugar in a bowl, and slowly add warm water while kneading the mixture until it forms a soft, elastic ball. This dough is the foundation of your pizza, promising a crispy crust and fluffy interior. After kneading, let your dough rise for about an hour in a warm place. Cover it with a damp cloth and watch it double in size, like a fluffy cloud. This fermentation process adds flavor and texture to your base. Meanwhile, prepare your sauce. A simple blend of crushed tomatoes, garlic, and herbs can create a flavorful canvas for your toppings. Once your dough has risen, punch it down gently, releasing the air, and roll it out on a floured surface. Aim for a circular or rectangular shape, depending on your baking tray. The anticipation grows as you envision the toppings that will adorn this blank canvas. Brush the rolled out dough with olive oil for added flavor, and to prevent sogginess, spread your sauce evenly across the surface, allowing just enough space for the crust. Now comes the fun part. Toppings. Layer your favorite ingredients, from gooey mozzarella to pepperoni, colorful bell peppers, or even pineapple. Personalizing your pizza is what makes it special. Preheat your oven to a sizzling temperature, around 475 degrees, 245 degrees. Slide your masterpiece onto a baking stone or tray and let it bake until the crust turns a golden brown, usually about 12 to 15 minutes. The bubbling cheese and slightly charred edges create a visual that is hard to resist. As the aroma fills the kitchen, allow the pizza to cool for a minute before slicing. The anticipation is palpable. Garnish with fresh basil or a sprinkle of chili flakes for that extra flavor kick. Each slice promises a burst of flavor, a symphony of crunchy crust and melty cheese. Finally, serve your homemade pizza on a rustic wooden board and gather your friends or family around the table. Enjoy each bite while basking in the pride of your culinary creation. Baking pizza at home is not just a recipe. It's an experience, a moment of joy shared with loved ones, and a delectable feast all in one.